for you. Come around. Candy! Wait. Sit down. This is a candy. I'm gonna put it down here. Wait, don't touch. I'm going to the toilet and come back, and you can't touch any until I come back. Okay? Don't eat any until I come back. Okay? Soon come. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I am talking low because your girl is up to no good. Okay, work with me here, you guys. So I've seen this challenge going around the internet that is called the candy challenge. So let me explain to you, if you don't know what the candy challenge is, if you're not internet savvy like myself that keep up with all these things. So the candy challenge is you put your kid to sit down, put a bowl of candy in front of them, tell them not to touch it, you're going somewhere, you soon be back. And the aim is to see what they'll do when you're away, whether they're gonna lose patience and eat the candy, or will they wait until you get back before they eat the candy. So I want to try this challenge with Tyler. I think I know what the outcome is going to be, but let's see if he's gonna surprise me, and let you guys see what his reaction is going to be. So you guys may or may not know. If you're watching us for the first time, then you wouldn't know, but if you're a real subby, then you'll know that Tyler is obsessed with chocolate. He loves chocolate. He's a real French boy, and he's like his father. He loves chocolate. So I'm gonna put some chocolate in a bowl with some candy in a bowl and put him to sit down and tell him that I'm going to the toilet and I'll be back, and he's not to touch him until I come back. Let him sit here. So let's see what his reaction is gonna be. However, I'm gonna hide the camera because I don't want him to know that I'm filming him, because I don't want him to see the camera. I want to get his real reaction. So I'm gonna hide my phone and the camera and see what his reaction is going to be. So let's do this. You call this a prank? I don't know. Don't call it a prank. It's just a challenge. So let's see. I'm gonna hide the camera, set it up real good in a corner. Babe said he know what Tyler's reaction is gonna be. I think I know what his reaction is gonna be too. But let's see if I'm right. So there goes the camera in the corner, and he won't see it because it's hidden. So there we go. It's recording. Hi, Ty. What you want? Yes. Very good. Go to your room. I soon call you, okay? I feel bad sitting my kid up, but okay. Here goes the chocolate. Put it on here. Tyler, come here. I have something for you. Come around. Candy! Wait. Sit down. This is a candy. I'm gonna put it down here. Wait, don't touch. I'm going to the toilet and come back, and you can't touch any until I come back. Okay? Don't eat any until I come back. Okay? Soon come. Did you touch it?
No.
Did you eat some?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. Good job. You can have it now. Guess what? It was a challenge.
Oh.
The camera is not over there. And over there. I wanted to see if you were gonna listen to Mama. Good job. Good job. Eat your candy. Well, let me watch the footage and see if my baby listened to me. You did well, Ty. I'm proud of you. You always listen to Mama, right?
Yes, but I still touch it.
Yes, yeah, you touch it, but you didn't eat it.
Yes.
So that was very good. Mama tell you not to eat it until she come back. You prank me?
Then she come back touch it.
You're funny. You touch it, but you didn't eat it. Hmm?
And you have to be careful.
Yeah, I said not to eat it.
And touch too.
Oh, so you touch it, but you never eat it?
Yes. I was pranking you, but I didn't cry.
That's okay. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna put up at this candy. So I got a piece of candy reward. My girl is taking a nap and I am going to try and get dinner out of the way before she wake up. Tyler said he wants rice. I'm gonna make chicken with that and figure out some kind of vegetable to go. So let's get cooking. Let's get into this kitchen, shawty. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are slowly getting used to the new norm. If you get the chance to go out, it's very cloudy today outside, and if you have to go out, please continue to wear your mask and take precaution and sanitize your hands and all that good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and just continue on with our day. Have a good day, and hopefully you guys enjoy the laughter, the fun in today's vlog. Catch up and keep up. If it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe, girl. We'll see you guys in a bit. Yes, Stella?
I want to tell you that there is the sun, but it's still cloudy.
It is very cloudy, very cloudy. It was even raining this morning.
It is very cloudy, but there's still the sun.
There's still sun?
Yes,
There's no sun. No, there's no sun
it's
out.
so bright.
Yeah, but because it's bright doesn't mean it's sun.
What does it mean?
It means it's bright. There's no sun, but it's bright out. Because it's not night. So it will be bright. Putting in the chicken into the pot. And this is a method that I love to use cooking chicken because it gets rid of all the fat for me. As you guys can see, I have a hot pot and I'm just putting in seasoned chicken in it. No oil, nothing. Just the seasoning on the chicken. And I'm gonna let this sear by itself to extract all the fat from the chicken on its own. And the chicken will have a nice flavor when you finish cooking it. So there we go. And what I'm gonna do now is close that. Voila. Look who is awake from their nap. Look who is awake from their nap. Say hello to the faves. Say hello, faves. No? No hello? Say hello to the faves. And I was here thinking that maybe I could finish cook and go to work out. But she didn't nap long at all. One little catty nap. What kind of cat nap was that? Hmm? Hmm? What kind of cat nap was that? Remember? What kind of cat nap was that? Beauty. Wow. Roll credit. Sarah? Sarah? Hi. Hi, Mama.
Yeah.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying? Tell me. Tell me. What are you saying? Hmm? Watch her. She done for brother butter. Leave it. No. Sarah, no. Good girl. No, no. No, no. No, no. Don't touch. Don't touch. Very good. Good girl. I love you, sweetness. Let me see if she's gonna go back and try and touch it. No, don't trouble your brother water bottle. No, no. Good girl. Good girl. Good job. She's thinking twice to make another trip. Look at her face. No. Mama says, don't trouble brother water bottle. No, no. No, no. Good girl. So you're just gonna keep doing this? It's a cycle? Good girl? Huh? Little face? Little face? Where's your teeth? Where is your teeth? Where is your teeth? No, don't go back over there. Come. You're too cute. That's Ginger. Dinner. Let's go check in on baby running.
guys, that was good. I mean, actually, I'm motivated. I mean,
You're
it's hard.
motivated.
I'm motivated actually. It's hard.
And coach is hard on you?
Coach is hard on me, but I don't mind. I mean,
I know you do.
I do it for me. I don't
Of
do it
course.
for her. Well, I do it for her a little bit, but mainly I do it for me. And yeah, I can run and feel more
You can feel the
comfortable.
improvement
And I increase speed and I even feel more comfortable and all of this. And when I look back where I was like some months ago,
I'm gonna show them your progress pictures.
oh yeah, feel good.
I'm gonna show them your progress pictures, where you're coming from and where you're at now. And it's amazing to see
Oh.
the result.
When I run, I look like a lobster.
No, you're fine.
I always look like
Oh,
a
you mean
lobster.
you're red? Yes,
Yeah.
that's so true. His face is red, like all the blood circulating in his face.
Always like this, always been the case.
Excuse me, Papa.
Yes, Tyler.
Did you finish all the exercise?
Wait, I'm not done.
If I finish all the exercise, yes, I'm about to go shower now.
You guys, when you're a multitasking mama, when you have to coach your husband and take care of the kids right away, so I'm here feeding Sarah in the kitchen while I'm coaching Babe on the floor. Babe finished working out. I already give Tyler a shower. I'm gonna give Sarah a shower in about 20 minutes and put her down for the night. So we're just winding down our day. Hopefully you guys have a good day today. Yogurt Mutt! Who is that? Yogurt Mutt. Who is that? Yes. Yogi Mutt. Yogi Mutt. Clap for them. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap. No? I can't deal with you and your gums.
Jesus loves to hear little Sarah sing. Clap your tiny hands for joy.
Sing again.
Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands for joy. Jesus loves to hear little